Hi, I am Ina from Crafty for Home. In this video this time, I will show you how to make chapstick holder keychain. It has snap button, so the chapstick would be secure inside the pouch. You will need one sheet of 5 inches by 10 inches cotton fabric or any fabric, one sheet of 2.25 inches by 10 inches fusible fleece or interfacing, 1 inch ribbon. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise so that the fabric's right side face each other. Put the fusible fleece on top of the fabric. Pin it or use quilting clips. Measure on one short side 1 inch from the corner to the long side and ½ inch from the corner to the short side. Seal the frayed edge of the ribbon piece by using a lighter. Fold the ribbon half, then pin it on the non-marked short side between the fabric's right side. Clip one of the short side along the marked line. Draw the line 1/4 inch along the edge for seam allowance. Sew along the seam allowance line, then skip 2 inches for the opening gap. Clip each corner to reduce bulk. Turn the fabric right side out. Push each corner with the chopstick. Press the fabric with the ironing machine. Fold the fabric in half. Then top stitch on both long sides and close the opening at the same time. Attach the snap button. Put your favorite chapstick on the pouch. Attach the keyring to the ribbon tab and the swivel lobster clasp. Now your chapstick holder keychain is ready to use. You can attach it to the backpack, purse, or car key. And happy sewing!